Hello, good morning, students. In the chapter Organisms and Populations, today also we are going to study our next topic, that is the life history variations. Now, life history variations can be explained as follows, like populations evolve to maximize their reproductive fitness. This reproductive fitness we have seen earlier also. So reproductive fitness, also called as Darwinian Darwinian fitness. We can also say high reproductive value in the habitat in which they live. Means that populations, they evolve so that they can maximize their reproductive fitness. Means as much as they are able to produce the offsprings in the habitat in which they live, that will be the Darwinian fitness or the reproductive fitness. And so to maximize their reproductive fitness, populations keep on evolving so that they can reproduce to the maximum limit of their life cycle. Then under a particular set of pressures, means when the organisms are living in an habitat, there will be different types of pressures: pressure of resources, pressure of environment, pressure of being in competition, etc. So there will be a particular set of pressures, and along with those pressures, organisms evolve towards the most efficient reproductive strategy so means that along with those pressures which they have in their habitat, they always evolve those strategies so that they can reproduce to their maximum reproductive limit. So that life history variations or reproductive fitness, so it means reproductive fitness depends on the following factors. Number one is life span. Now we have seen some species live very long life. For example, humans. but some live for a short time. Example, insects. Some insects are there which are surviving only for hours. So the reproductive fitness depends on lifespan also. As much as long the lifespan will be, as much long or as much they will be producing the offsprings. Then next factor is breeding. Some organisms breed only once in their lifetime. For example, Pacific salmon and bamboo. This we have seen earlier also when we were studying about the reproductive fitness. But some breed several times in their lifetime. For example, most birds and mammals. So obviously if they are breeding only once in a lifetime, they will be producing less number of organisms or offsprings. But those who are breeding for several times in their lifetime, they will be producing more number of offsprings, and so they will be, these factors will be affecting the reproductive fitness. Then the next factor is offsprings. Some produce a large number of small sized offspring. This also we have seen earlier. Example, oysters and pelagic fishes. So they produce large number of very small sized offsprings. Then, but some produce a small number of large sized offsprings. Example, we have taken elephant, so then also the reproductive depends on the number and size of the offsprings. So according to ecologists, the life history, traits of organisms have evolved by getting affected by biotic and abiotic components of their habitat. So what does the ecologists are saying? The life history traits, the characters of the life history and the fitness, reproductive fitness of the organisms will be evolved according to the biotic and abiotic factors which are going to affect their life cycle and the reproductive fitness in which they are living, the habitat in which they are living. So this is all about the life history variations. So in short, in summary, what we can say, that organisms, they try to develop the strategies, so for that they get evolved affected by the pressures of biotic and abiotic components of the habitat in which they are surviving, and they evolve for what? For to become reproductive fit. So reproductive fitness means maximum limit the organism can reproduce, the maximum number of offsprings the organisms can reproduce will be the most reproductive fit organism. So this is how the life history variations are seen in the nature. So as I had told, we are almost completing our syllabus, so I will be explaining only one topic in a day, so that day itself you can make the notes of it and you can learn it. So today I'll be explaining this topic only. So take care and thank you.